Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Root Beer here, wishing you all well. We're going to start looking at another University of Waterloo Gauss contest. This time it will be the grade 7 level Gauss paper from the year 2017. As always, I'd like to invite you to take this opportunity to click the very first link down in the description. It will get you a copy of the paper for yourself, and you can try it out on your own. Okay? And then I'm just going to go through one question at a time, so if you want to just watch from the beginning, feel free to stick around. But if you'd like to try the contest and you find that maybe you just don't know how to do question 20, feel free to skip ahead and take a look at that video in particular. Okay? I'll leave all that up to you. Let's just dive in and have a very quick glance at the paper itself. So here it is. Here's our Gauss paper. It's the grade 7 Gauss, and as I've said, 2017. Now, as with any contest, you should always take time to read things like the time limit or any of the instructions, or whether or not calculators are allowed. In this case, they are. This is always important, even if you're writing contests other than the Gauss. It's always a good idea to know what you're allowed to do, what you're not allowed to do, what time you've got, as well as things like marking scheme, what age level it's aimed at. And I'll let you read all that if you're interested. I'm just going to continue on taking a look at our very first question, question number 1 in part A. So each of these questions is supposed to be somewhat simple. They're only worth 5 marks as opposed to some of the later questions that are worth 6 and 8 marks. So what have we got? Question number 1. The value of 2 plus 4 plus 6 minus 1 plus 3 plus 5 is. Alright. Now, calculators are allowed. Of course, you could grab your calculator. Although the hope is that you're able to sort of do these calculations a little bit faster. Now, usually they start off these contests with a quick arithmetic question. Okay. So, you know, if I came across this, I could punch it in on a calculator. I could also do in my head 2 plus 4 plus 6 is 12. Minus 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. And then they're really just asking what's 12 minus 9? 3. Another way we could do the question, just in case you're looking for other things to learn, is by pairing up the numbers that we're given. Okay? 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 3 is another 1. And 6 minus 5 is yet another 1. And that's another way to see that our answer is going to be 3. Alright, so having figured out our answer, and that's answer B, we're going to either bubble that in, or what I usually do is I write it down in my notepad just for my records. But you would bubble it down or fill in the Scantron sheet if you were actually writing the paper for real. But yeah, that's it. We've got an answer of B. Up next will be question number 2. I'll see you there.